Ooh, folks, should I do it? Hey, it's 9 a.m. It's my last day in this beautiful historic city of Melrose. Oh, it's been awesome here. So I just finished up yesterday at the Florida Hunt 7. Enjoyed it, met a lot of great guys, a lot of metal detectors. It was an awesome time. Today's Sunday, and I've got about 3 hours. I stayed at a like a bed and breakfast, and I stumbled up on this place. I actually talked to the owner at the bed and breakfast, and she said down the road there's a place that's long forgotten. There's no house here, but this trail behind me goes on forever. Eventually ends up on a lake where there's this dock that, gosh, it's probably been there 60, 70 years. It goes out to the middle of nowhere, no house, nothing. So this is a great spot, a trail where people come up, and I'm gonna give it a shot. So hang with me, let's see what we can find. I've got 2 stops before I head home. This is stop number 1. We're gonna move down this trail to the lake, and as I suspect, it's not gonna be a lot of targets, so we should, if we get a target, be a coin or something good. I don't think the partying's gonna be hanging out right in here. But there's trails all over this place. This will take you to a big old dock, and hopefully I'll have time to throw the magnet a little bit. All right, we got a good solid signal down here. Oh, there it is right there, sitting on the top. Man, that was deep. Now, hopefully this is a wheat penny. Nope. All right, it's still a coin. Working that trail down to the lake, folks. Hey guys, digging that first target. Getting a solid 25, 26. Let's see what this is. Probably gonna be a lot of trash back in here. See my hand? Let's see what we got. What is that? Oh, look at there. 5 minutes, and I've got a dime. I'll take it. There you go. It's a penny. And pennies are everywhere. Sounds like a quarter and looks like a quarter. Nothing old, better than a penny. It's in my hand. So you can get it. There it is. Another penny. Got to move nice and slow so you see those surface finds right there. Penny. Yep.
Don't forget the COPTECH Vault story at the end of the video.
Getting a good signal right here. Right there. It's a dime. Another dime. Yeah, it's funny, man. You got to find these everywhere. I found these yesterday on the Florida Hunt 7. This Peter Victor's head stamp was produced between 1915 and 1927. That's a great find. Big penny. It's in my hand, whatever it is. Penny. Just lounge right on the top. I think it's target there, but we got it out. It's in the hand. What is it? Oh, it's a coin. Dead. Stinking. There it is. Is it a weenie? No, just a Lincoln. Man, I thought I had a ring. I hit this. Look at that. Yeah, it's something on a keychain. There we have it, another penny. Oh, nothing old. Can I find something old? All right, it's in my hand. There it is. Dime. Just a dime. Another penny. All right, we're about to head down to the lake with a magnet. Guys, thanks for following me so far. Day 3 in Melrose. Going back down this trail, just metal detected, didn't find a lot. You know, some modern clad change. But I did talk to a local resident who has no idea how this dock got here. It's been here for years. Way back in the woods, nobody really knows who owns the property. Kids come in to play and fish. It's not the safest of docks. It probably should be shut down or torn down. I'm a little leery myself. I just hope I don't fall. But here it is. Look at this dock. Oh my gosh. I can see where it's caved in right there. That should be great to walk over. Yeah, this could be the end of Double G. Let's hope not. Look at this. Just beautiful. There's a house nowhere near here. This is... they just don't know. Oh, look at that. Let's go on the side here. At least this will be on tape if I fall. Yeah, I hope not, please. Looks a little slippery. All right. And you can tell this thing floods. Look how high this is. The lake used to come up to here. Who knows? Very cool though. I mean, I think it's worth throwing a magnet while I'm here. I'll never have this opportunity. The resident that I talked to in the area thinks they're going to rip this down because it's just not safe. Or it should be. So it may not even be here the next time I come back. Maybe I'll see skunk ape. Come on, skunk ape. Ooh. Look at that. Golly, what is this? Should I keep going? Absolutely. No risk, no reward. Look at this beautiful cypress tree. Holy moly. Oh, folks, should I do it? Leave a comment below. Right there's the end. You know, lake is beautiful. Oh, well, here we go. Camera's gonna roll, baby. Look at that green and slippery. Let's just wait for Double G to slide. That doesn't look too deep. This will be one back. I'm almost there, inch by inch. Yeah. All right, I'm about ready to sling, and I've worked the edge enough. I'm gonna start throwing out a little bit at a time. Hopefully I won't get hung up. All right, I think I got something on the dock here. I think I do. You gotta be kidding, it's heavy. What little crap it is. Oh my God, it's a chair. Let's get that bad boy out if we can. We gotta get it out. We can't leave it. Come on. Looks like it's got some fishing line. May have a fishing lure on it. Oh yeah. Got it out. Woo! That brute magnet, baby. Look at that line. There's a hook, it looks like. There's something now. Let's pop this off. Somebody's got some line wrapped up around it. Looky there. There's no telling how long that muddy thing's been down there. Golly Moses. First find, baby. Second throw. Right up that grass. Bring it it back nice and slow. You know, one good thing is, like right now, I just got my magnet tied around this fishing line, so I'm pulling all this out. So you're doing a service to the lake, the birds, eco-life. You just want to get all this out of the water. I brought a little bag to take all this. Yeah, I may have a fishing lure on the end of this. You never know. It feels kind of heavy. Crap, I see something down there. That's a freaking reel, I think. I think it is. Well, at least it's at the end of this and the magnet to pick it up. I saw something spinning. All right, so it's straight down from here. It's got to be. I mean, where's all this line coming from? It's a... How much line can it have? Holy crap. Look at that. Oh, guys, I can feel it. This is all this line that I just brought in, but I feel some weightage. Yeah. Let's see what we got. There it is. Yeah. Look at that. All this line and this reel sitting out there. Why did that not hit off the magnet, though? Let's test. Let's do a test. Nope, look at there. It's aluminum or something. I don't know. It's not sticking on the magnet. All right. That's a cool find. Got that in the chair. All right, guys, A for effort. We got that reel in the chair. That's it. I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. I'm going to get out here and hopefully make it off this raggedy old dock. Here we go. Here we go.
You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. All right, I got to set this up. This was a grand theft auto case, and these two guys went into a Toyota dealership, test drove a vehicle, and then turned it back in with a blank Toyota key. See, that key's not even cut, but the salesman didn't pick up on it. Then they come back that night and they steal the vehicle. Now, I think it was a week or so later, they negotiate with an undercover detective there on the left to buy a title, because they want to title this stolen vehicle. Of course, we set it all up. We were watching, and once we got the secret word, we made the arrest. And, you know, it was April Fool's, but hey, this was no joke. They went to jail on some serious felony charges. Now, it gets better, folks. I set up this camera inside of an apartment across the street in a duplex with this elderly couple in there. Now, they forgot the camera was recording, and it recorded audio. Listen how excited they get. It's hilarious. It's right here.
Shit, Scott and Becky's not there. They're missing all the excitement.
That made my day to hear them get so excited. So, folks, thanks for watching as usual, and that's another story from the COPTECH Vault.